Hello everyone. So today's class we are going to discuss solution. What is a solution? This is water and I add salt to it. So after mixing, can we see salt particles? So no. A mixture, a mixture of two substances in which we cannot see the particles separately. A solution is a what is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles which we add are known as solute, and to which it is added is known as solvent. So solute plus solvent gives solute plus solvent gives solution. So solute plus solvent gives solution. So now there are some important terms which are related to solution known as concentration terms. This is also a numerical based concept, a numerical based topic in which we have to represent. The first and the most important term is molarity, denoted by capital M. The molarity is moles of solute divided by volume of solution. Moles of solute divided by volume of solution, and that should be in liters. The molarity is equal to moles. Molarity capital M is equal to moles by volume. So what is meant by molarity? What is the meaning of molarity? Suppose we are given a 2 molar solution. 2 molar, 3 molar, any molar solution means 2 moles of solute. Molarity gives us moles per liter of solution. 2 moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. 2 molar means 2 moles of solute in 1 liter of solution, or we can say 1 liter of solution contains 2 moles of solute. The molarity is moles per liter. This is molarity. Molarity, it is very important, and it is also known as concentration. In further chapters, we will call it as concentration also. This is molarity. Write one question. Calculate molarity of 4 gram NaOH. Calculate molarity of 4 gram NaOH in 250 ml solution. 4 gram NaOH in 250 ml solution. So this is solute, and we are given volume of solution. So molarity is equal to moles of solute. The moles of solute is equal to moles of NaOH. 4 divided by 23 plus 16 plus 1 given mass by molar mass. So 4 upon 40, 1 over 10 equal to 0.1 moles. So this is moles, and volume we are given directly. The volume we are given in ml. So we will divide it by 1000. So that will become in liters. So molarity is equal to moles 0.1 divided by 250, and the 1000 will go on the numerator. So that will become 0.4 molar. The molarity is 0.4 molar. The 0.4 moles are present in 1 liter of solution. This is molarity. Similarly, there is one more term, and that is molality. And it is denoted by small m. So we will write it by small m only. So molality. The numerator is same, moles of solute divided by, but denominator changes, mass of solvent. Mass of solvent, and that should be in kg. So again, molality small m is equal to moles by mass. The meaning of molality, the molality tells us, molality tells us moles of solute per kg of solvent. 1 kg में कितने मोल्स आ रहे हैं, that is molality. The number of moles per kg of solvent is molality. So make the note, write the formula. And then the third term is mole fraction. The third term is mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is denoted by, in India we call this symbol as X, or it is also known as chi. Mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute is equal to, the mole fraction is equal to moles divided by total moles. Moles divided by, mole fraction of solute is equal to moles of solute divided by total moles. Moles of solute plus moles of solvent. And in general, in most of the books, we denote solute by 2 or B and solvent by 1 or A. The mole fraction of solute means X2 is equal to moles of solute by total moles. Mole fraction of solvent is equal to moles of solvent by total moles. And the maximum value of mole fraction is 1. The mole fraction of x1 plus x2 equal to 1. This is also a very important term. If we mix A, B and C, then what will be the mole fraction of A? Then we will write Na divided by total moles, Na plus Nb plus Nc. Similarly, Xb is equal to moles of B by Na plus Nb plus Nc, and similarly Xc. And Xa plus Xb plus Xc, mole fraction total is always 1. So these are very important terms. molarity, molality, and mole fraction. Now there are terms which are also used in numericals. Let us discuss. There are some terms given as 20% weight by weight or 20% by mass. 20% weight by weight और 20% by mass. इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि 20 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूट और परसेंटेज टोटल होती है 100 में से, कि अगर 100 ग्राम का सॉल्यूशन है, द सॉल्यूशन इज 100 ग्राम, तो उसमें 20 ग्राम सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट है, कि 20 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन. Similarly, 20% weight by volume. So first is solute, unit of solute, and the second is unit of solution. 20% weight by volume means 20 gram of solute in 100 ml of solution. And 20% volume by volume means, ये आप बता सकते हैं 20 ml of solute in 100 ml solution. So these are very important terms. So let us take an example on what we have studied till now. So make notes of it. So 20% volume by volume means 20 ml of solute in 100 ml solution. So write a question. So write a question. Calculate molarity, molality, and mole fraction if 18% solution of glucose by mass. 18% glucose by mass. So means 18 gram of glucose in 100 gram solution. और साथ में क्वेश्चन में एक डेंसिटी गिवन होती है कि सपोज डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 1.2 ग्राम पर ml. Density of solution is 1.2 gram per ml. So from here we get solute. The solute is glucose, and what is the mass? 18 gram. Solution is total 100 gram. So what is the mass of solvent? The solvent is equal to 100 minus 18, 82 gram. And if no solvent is mentioned, then go on to the water. केमिस्ट्री में वाटर बहुत जगह यूज होता है, कि अगर कोई सॉल्वेंट क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं है तो टेक वाटर एज अ सॉल्वेंट. So now we will write one by one formula of each. So we start with molarity. Capital M, what is the formula? Moles of solute by volume of solution into, this should be in liters. अगर ये मिलीलीटर में है तो we add 1000 on the numerator. So that becomes moles of solute. We have to find moles of glucose given mass by molar mass. So moles is equal to 18 and glucose is C6H12O6. क्या आता है molar mass? So it is 1801 over 10. That becomes 0.1 moles. So this are the moles. And the second important thing is we need volume of solution. But we are given 100 gram solution means mass of solution. So इसलिए क्वेश्चन में डेंसिटी गिवन है कि वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू मास ओवर डेंसिटी. सो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू 100. We have to keep mass of solution divided by density 1.2 gram. So 100 over 1.2. So that comes as 1000 divided by 12. So 500 divided by 6. 250 divided by 3. So it becomes 83.3 ml. So now we will add in the formula of molarity. So molarity is equal to moles 0.1 divided by 83.3 into 1000. So that is equal to 100 by 83.3. And that will come as 1 point. So 833,167. So that will come as approx 1.2 molar. So this is the first term, molarity. Then molality. So what is the formula of small m? Yes, molality is moles of solute divided by mass of solvent. So that the moles of solute will again 0.1 and mass of solvent we have already calculated 82.82. So that is in grams. So into 1000. So this will come as 100 upon 82. So approx 1.3. And the third term is mole fraction. So mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute is equal to moles of solute by total moles. सोल्यूट के मोल्स तो हमारे पास है N2 divided by N1 plus N2. So N2 is 0.1 by 0.1 plus moles of solvent. Moles of water given mass 82 by molar mass 18. So that becomes 0.1 plus 41 by 9. So 4.5. 0.1 by 4.6. So 1 over 46. So 0.02. That is equal to mole fraction of solute. So one is this type of question. A total of 3 marks question. All things have been asked. Calculate molarity, molality and mole fraction. So take the screenshot, make the notes, learn the formula as much as you can and understand the terms. So now there will be more terms, so you make notes of it. So the next is, now we have to interconnect these terms. We are given molarity and we have to find molality. There are two methods. The first we will do by calculation, and second we will make a formula. For MCQs we will use direct formula, and for calculation, for subjective, we have to show the complete answer. In the 3 molar solution means, what is molarity? Moles per liter. 3 molar solution means 3 moles of solute in per liter means 1 liter, 1000 ml solution. 3 मोलर से हमारे पास सॉल्यूट के मोल्स आ गए डायरेक्ट 3, एंड सॉल्यूशन की वॉल्यूम आ गई 1000 ml. So what we have to find? We have to find molality. So what is molality? Moles of solute by mass of solvent, and that should be in kg. अगर ये ग्राम्स में आएगी तो into 1000. तो देखो मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट तो हमारे पास आ चुके हैं 3. What we have to find? मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, और वो ही हमारे पास मिसिंग है. तो वो मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कैसे निकलेगा कि मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन माइनस मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन एंड मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट. दैट विल कम कि मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन हम निकालेंगे डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम. इसलिए क्वेश्चन में डेंसिटी गिवन है 1.25 एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 1000. सो दैट विल बिकम्स 1250 ग्राम. एंड मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट के लिए हम यूज करेंगे मोल्स इज इक्वल टू गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास. सो वी हैव मोल्स 3 and molar mass of NaCl 58.5. So that will become mass of solute 15, 24, 25, 17, 175.5 gram. So from here we will get mass of solvent as 1250 minus 175.5, and that will come as 1250 minus 175.5. So what will be the mass? So 5, 4, 7, 14 में से 7 और 12 में 1074.5. So this will be the mass of solvent. Now we will make molality. Molality will come as, molality is equal to mass moles of solute 3 by mass of solvent into 1000. So 3000 divided by 1074.5. देखिए इसी का हम कैसे एक फॉर्मूला बनाएंगे कि मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल टू, मोलैरिटी गिवन है, मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल टू कि जो मोलैरिटी है कैपिटल M मीन्स मोलैरिटी, गिवन मोलैरिटी इज कैपिटल M डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. हमने निकाला डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम, और वॉल्यूम हमेशा 1000 ml. mass of solution, density into volume, and mass of solvent. M into M dash. What is M dash? M dash is molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute, and in the numerator multiply by 1000. Small m is equal to 1000, capital M by 1000 d minus m dash. We can directly use this formula between molarity and molality. So this is NCERT last example, and it also comes in generally 3 marks. So understand it, make notes of it, take the screenshot. If for subjective you have to show like this, and for objective you can directly use the formula. So this is the relation between molarity and molality. So now the next is relation between small m molality and mole fraction. We are given 9.8 molar H2SO4 solution. So molality means moles, 9.8 moles of H2SO4 in 1000 gram solvent solution. Solvent in 1000 gram solvent. So what is the formula of mole fraction of solute? So moles of solute by total moles. Moles of solute by moles of solute plus solvent. So 9.8 molar means we are directly getting moles of solute H2SO4 as 9.8. And we are getting mass of solvent 1000 gram. Again यहाँ पे moles of solute तो direct है, बस we have to convert mass of solvent to moles of solvent. So again given mass by molar mass, and if no solvent is given, we have to take solvent as water, which is 18 grams. So this comes as 55.5. So from here we will get mole fraction of solute as 9.8 moles over N1 plus N2, 55.5 plus 9.8. So that comes as 9.8 divided by 65.5 में से 2.2 कम कर दिया, 65.3. So this are the moles of the solute, mole fraction of solute. So make it, note it, and then we are continuing with more terms. And there are few more concentration terms like strength. Strength is gram per liter. समझ गए होंगे, strength means mass of solute by volume of solution. Strength is gram per liter. And there are two more terms, ppm, parts per million. That is mass of solute by mass of solution. जैसे परसेंटेज के लिए हम इंटू 1000 करते हैं, वैसे ही पार्ट्स पर मिलियन के लिए इंटू 1 मिलियन. 10 raised to power 6. And similarly, ppb, parts per billion. The mass of solute by mass of solution into 10 raised to power 9. So ppm, ppb. So make the notes. Then we are discussing example on ppm. Write one question. A solution of CHCl3. A solution of CHCl3 is 15 ppm. A solution of CHCl3 is 15 ppm. Convert it into percentage. Convert it into percentage. So answer 15 ppm. तो ppm का फॉर्मूला है mass of solute by mass of solution into 10 raised to power 6. So 15 is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution को तो हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे कि mass of solute upon mass of solution. We have to show this into percentage. So 10 raised to power 6 will come in denominator and for percentage into 100. So that will become as 15 into 10 raised to power minus 4%. In this way we can convert ppm into percentage. Parts per million of a solute is ppm. So these are the few concentration terms. And then there is one more topic of concentration is dilution. Dilution. Suppose there is a M1 molarity solution and V1 volume which contains solute. Now dilution means we add water to it. We increase the volume of solution. We increase the volume of solution but solute के particles तो सेम क्वांटिटी में रहेंगे. As volume increases, so there will be change in molarity, and let new molarity is equal to M2. Let new molarity is equal to M2. So how we will calculate new molarity? The moles of solute are same. The moles of solute are same and molarity is equal to moles of volume. So moles is equal to molarity into volume. So they are same. कि MV बस यहाँ हम लगा देंगे M1 V1 और यहाँ लगा देंगे M2 V2. So M1 V1 equal to M2 V2, where V2 is final volume of solution. यहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है. Sometimes they ask final volume and sometimes they ask water added. So that is equal to final volume minus initial volume of the solution. So this is to find the new molarity, the new volume, or the initial volume, initial molarity, one of them will be a variable of the question. Beyond dilution, on adding water, we just have to use M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. So now there is one more term known as normality. But normality is not the part of school CBSE. So I am going to make a different video on normality that I will cover in the next video. So hope you like the class. Please subscribe my channel Chem 3D Mind Catalyst and like the video and share your comment also. Thank you so much.